I am contesting for the position of governor of Abia.
All right, sir. So
can you tell us what actually motivated you to go for this?
Well, I mean, I entered into the race after my personal condition. In the development of our state, it's very critical. And I believe it is a good time to contribute my own experience.
But if peradventure you're not selected tomorrow or you don't win the primaries, will you still support the person that wins?
The spirit of sportsmanship will, automatically be my watchword.
So if you win, what should we be expecting from you?
I have a clear agenda.
All right.
The first will be to make Abia a focal point. How am I going to do that? To brand Abia. Branding Abia means creating a focus for Aba, especially utilizing the Aba as a trade hub. And utilizing Aba as a trade hub will come from ensuring that, starting from the industries which are currently moribund, are all now, start working. The moribund industry, the moribund factories, all across Aba, will start working immediately. And if you look at China today, there is something that has made China great. Industries, factories, production. So Aba is not different from China. So what my government, if I win, will do is to bring Aba to the limelight more than it is currently.
Okay, sir. There are speculations that you work for the incumbent governor behind closed doors, and giving you the ticket would probably increase the success of the party.
Listen. I am standing on my own legs, okay? And there is nothing like that, okay? I have never I have never obtained, okay, managed or supervised even any contract in the state from 1999. There is no government in Abia State from 1999 to today that have awarded one single contract to me. Okay, so I'm contesting election out of my own personal conviction. That story is it doesn't fall into play of what we are talking about.
All right.
Okay, you talked about turning Aba into a commercial hub,
yes,
and you talked about moribund industries.
Yes.
Don't you think that the state governor, Dr. Alex Oti, is already doing it? And if eventually that you win the primaries tomorrow, what are you going to, apart from what he has done already, what are you going to do that is different from what he's already doing?
Branding. Aba needs to be announced to the world in a different way. Okay? I acknowledge what has been done, but I have a better idea how to take Aba to the next level. I just said just now that developing Aba is a fulcrum to developing all other parts of Abia. I will brand Aba to become a focal point and make Aba to be a city or a town where everybody in Nigeria will focus on when trade or industrialization is discussed. Just take for example Cross River State, okay? They became prominent because of Calabar Festival. That's how they branded Cross River State, isn't it? And you can also look at Akwa Ibom, for instance. I mean, infrastructure and tourism. People from Abia is going on holiday to our neighboring states. What about us? But I will utilize that strategy of trade to promote exhibition. I mean, it will increase the ITR of Abia State if we brand Aba first of all and utilize that strategy to begin to develop all other parts of Abia. I mean, you do not need to come to Umaya or Aba or Aruchuku to work. There should be industries, factories, or businesses in those areas. I mean, even the local government should work better than it is right now.
Thank you very much. I will wish you